Real tough. Big tough. That's dope. Y'all can hear me. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know I look crazy. I got the mask on. I'm in the airport. I'm on my way to my gate. Yeah, I didn't get no sleep last night. We had a horrific tornado touchdown in my area last night. It truly devastated a lot of homes. A lot of families are displaced. I'm just blessed because I literally got out of my truck as it was touching down. And where I parked my truck at, the tornado ripped right through that area. So, yeah, I didn't really get any sleep last night. The power was off for a while. Did come back on. I'm pretty sure I am missing some stuff. I forgot some stuff, but for those that don't know, I'm on my way to Louisville, Kentucky for Mid-America Trucking Show. And yeah, well, go ahead, get myself situated. My flight is about to start boarding. I gotta go get some coffee. I'm trying to wake up a little bit. But yeah, that's what it is, y'all. I'm exhausted. I am tired. And the crazy thing is that it's Wednesday, 5 a.m. Wednesday, and TSA was on wrong. Like, if y'all don't have clear, I don't understand what people want to like. Because with clear, I was able to just walk straight to the front of the line. Like, you know, you check in with clear, they're gonna bring you straight to the front. But anyway, I'm gonna check back in with y'all after I land in Louisville. Good morning, y'all. So, I am at the show. It's been a rough morning. That's exactly why I'm just now recording, because I woke up and I wasn't feeling good. I was feeling horrible, honestly. My stomach, I had some lamb last night and it just had my stomach hurting. But I'm going over here by this truck because let me tell you, this place is icy. It's so icy. Y'all, this is my first truck show and I'm definitely going to be attending more truck shows. I love it here. Like, I absolutely positively love it here. But I gotta come over here and look at this big boy. That shit is, oh, I ain't supposed to be cussing, but look. Ooh, that thing is clean. God. That's a big boy truck right there. See, that's what I want. That's why I'm so picky about what I want and why I haven't gotten a truck. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna record some of these trucks in here and I'll come back to y'all. So we went back to the booth. I went back to the booth, did a few things at the booth, and now I am gonna go on the north side and go see what kind of trucks they have over there. I don't know if either is out here. I hope they're out here, because that's what you can see. Ooh, that's tough. That's tough. Wow, this thing's so tough. This thing's big tough. You might have the wrong one. they got this one up here. Up. That's high. Y'all, good morning. It is day 2. I sucked at recording yesterday. I really did suck at recording. But my plan today is it's really, really early right now. And while it's empty, while it's empty, I'm gonna go ahead and record. Good morning. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around and record what I need to record before it gets super packed. My team is already here. I'm extra late because I had to go and get my makeup done, right? Okay. Well, yeah. So, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and I'm going to walk through. Good morning. I had the chance to, kind of like see what I like and what I want to show y'all because I walked around a lot yesterday. So I'm going to be able to just walk on through. So, I'm going to come back to y'all. If y'all need a job, that's the man right there. That's Brandon. Yeah, you did. So, obviously, I can't record this whole entire show. Morning. But I'm going to just show y'all a few of my favorite trucks that I've seen, like these two. This one, I really like it because it reminds me of somebody's truck, but I don't know why I did that, but anyway. You see the stacks, you see the pipes, you see the truck. And then they have another one. It's pretty, like I said, it's pretty empty right now. That's why I wanted to record right now, because look at this is that setup. I wanted to record right now while there wasn't that many people here, because I have some stuff I have to do back at the booth. But look at this, y'all. I love it. And for those that don't know, primarily all the trucks that I'm about to show y'all are gonna be pics. They're gonna be pics. So, yeah. I think this is. I was just telling my friend last night, like, I did not expect to feel how I feel about trucking and being here. It's just literally almost like a kid in a candy store. Like, I'm surrounded by all trucking stuff, and it's just so dope. Like, I'm definitely gonna be doing more trucking videos. Going to more trucking events. Like, somebody just invited me to a trucking meetup, so I can't wait to get my own truck, y'all, because I'm gonna be out here in these trucking streets. Like, this is definitely a good networking event. I met a few people yesterday, got some stuff coming, I ain't gonna speak on, but yeah, just know it's up, it's lit. But anyway, it's been cool. The hotel is nice. I didn't vlog the hotel because the first day that I got here, I actually got to my hotel kind of late. Everything was like kind of rushed, let me tell y'all. I got here, and as soon as I got off the plane, I came straight here and had to do some setup stuff with the team and everything like that. And then when we left here, we had to go get supplies, some stuff that we needed. And then we went to the hotel, and we checked in, and we was only at the hotel for like maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes before we had to go to dinner. So, good morning. So, yeah. I'm gonna get these great people. Say good morning.
Good morning. How y'all doing? Hard working. Come join Hannah.
Lies. No work is being done. But anyway, so morning. So as you can see, it's like a little it's empty right now. That's why I want to get over here and get my pictures and everything like that. Somebody will have to take pictures of me by these trucks. It's gonna be weird, but somebody's gonna do it. Good morning. But somebody's gonna do it. Just gotta find somebody to do it. Good morning. I got to meet. I think some people think that my camera is turned around because they're looking at my phone like, not knowing this camera is not on you. It's on me. But oh, them donuts are good. Good morning. I was talking to that guy yesterday. I'm gonna go over here first. See what's so crazy is we got that Debo pass. We can get into anything. So we literally able to get into any side, which is dope. So let me take our camera around again. So look at Series and JB Hunt. JB Hunt got a whole little situation going on over there. But anyway, I love the colors on this truck. I think it gives me that old school feel. Just the colors. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily, it wouldn't be my truck, but 1977 Kentworth, that's why that looks like that. That's crazy, y'all. This is a 1977. Got a big Cam Cummins in it. I wouldn't have thought that was what this was, because it kind of looks like a newer truck. Really, really, really clean. Oh, I'm sorry. Then over here, look at this. 1967 Marmon. You can tell it got a little, them decals been on and off of it, but it's still holding up. It's definitely still holding up. Yeah, that's definitely, you can tell. And then I got y'all Freight Shaker 1979 Freight line up. Y'all know, well, maybe y'all don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of Freightliners. Freightliners aren't my thing. I got some. I'm gonna show y'all the tanks because the tanks is what I do. I'm not gonna get into like these flatbeds and these step decks and these all this stuff. I don't know about none of that stuff. So I'm walking over here. I try not to walk through nobody's booth because yeah, I feel like that's let's see. We got another one over here. Now I love that box. I'm gonna assume that that's a truck that transports like race cars. I'm not 110% sure about that, but I'm pretty sure that that's what it is. But y'all, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, that's actually not. It's actually a little setup. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like a full-blown setup. You know, them stacks. Look at those stacks. Y'all can't wait to get my truck. I'm not even gonna tell y'all. Comment it in the comment section which one of these tips do y'all think I would get. I want to see who think they know me. Okay, so let's come over here because these I came over here by these trucks like 3 times yesterday because that's y'all. Before I even go any further, look at that. Yeah, that way, big boy. That way. Oh, this is like simply amazing. So how about this? How about I go fully over this one first, and then I'm gonna do. Look at that. I love that. And one of my friends was saying yesterday, like, okay, yeah, they clean, but that's not no working truck. Yes, it's a working truck, but it's not a, it's definitely not something that you're going to be pulling up to the plant in. Look, like, what? Explain it to me, y'all. Explain it to me. Man, come on. That thing's so clean. So clean. Like, it's amazing how clean this truck is. Like, I love it. And I'm not a huge fan of red, but I'm a fan of the work. I'm a fan of what they put into it. And that's the insides of it. Yesterday they had the other door open on it, but I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch these people's trucks. But this one, this thing right here, yo, the inside. So we just gonna act like these insides ain't what the kids say. Bussin'. Oh, that thing is. I love those colors. Good morning. Yeah, we just gonna act like it's like ain't. And look at the flames. Like, jeez Louise. Like, look at it's like the detail that they put into them. Like, that's work. Like, you know. And I'm really interested to see which one of y'all think y'all know which tips I would get. Which one of these tips I would want. But this thing is amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. Y'all, so I was actually talking to the owner of the truck, and I was like, yeah, I know these are show trucks, but do you actually run them? And he's like, yeah, I'm a tanker. I was like, no, you're not. He's like, yes, I am. He's like, he pulls out his phone and starts showing me pictures. He's actually a tanker. That's actually a running truck, and it's actually a 2007 truck. Like, wow. He said him and his boss restored it. He showed me the pictures of it. great. It's an awesome truck. I'm gonna turn the camera around because I got some more trucks coming up that I want to show y'all. So here's the truck stop booth and Landstar's booth. So as you can see, I'm over here. This one's clean too. Look at the inside of it. I like those. Do y'all see that floor? It just excites me because I just cannot wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to get my truck. I really can't. That's that 2010 389 Peak. It's sick too, and these guys really put work into these trucks. Like that's the whole thing about it. It's so detailed. They do an amazing job. It's just like the detail in them is just unbelievable. So I'm gonna show y'all, and I feel like this is going. Well, no, I just looked at it, so it's not gonna give me away. I thought it was gonna give me away, but it's not gonna give me away. I'm gonna show y'all something similar to what my vision is, or what I see that I want, and I keep getting told, "Q, sit down." Basically, sit down because you tiny out here in these streets. But hey, I don't care. Good morning. You're gonna see the detail of this one. Look how shiny that is. That thing's clean. And y'all know I work in the dirt. I work in the dust. So the stretches are unbelievable.
And then they get done.
Y'all know I work in the dust. I work in the dirt, so yeah. So, a lot of times I was just telling the guy when he was telling me that he actually pulls tanks. I was like, well, what about your stacks? Because his stacks seemed like they were kind of high. He's like, I don't have a problem with my stacks. I never have a problem with my stacks. If I had to back in, I back in, Easy Pete interiors. Yeah, the top. I know these people are probably like, oh, why is this girl over here again? I've been over here. Everybody was doing their look at that. He put my new tires on. You surprised by the nails, and I'm surprised by that.
Do what now?
I'm looking at the motor, the engine.
You like the motor?
Love them.
You do?
Yeah. I'm a driver.
Are you really?
Yeah.
You are not.
I'm a tanker. I am.
You drive with them?
I do.
You do?
I do.
You look like the real deal. I mean, I ain't saying it to you. Oh, we gotta get them dialed up.
I need to go get them done now.
Really?
Yeah, it's been about 4 weeks.
What's it cost to get that done?
200.
200?
I mean, you just look at it like I don't go every week. So.
Well, you go the opposite week to do eyelashes and shit like that, right?
See, I don't even do all that.
I did mine.
I did mine today because I told them, I said, I don't want to look like a trucker today. I was like, what? No. Y'all got some
You
amazing
look like this
stuff over
driving
here.
down the road?
Sometimes.
Girl, God.
Going in and out of punts. I'm the only female driver at my terminals.
Are you?
Got 36 drivers. I'm the only woman. So they're used to
you don't
me.
have trouble getting guys to help you, do you?
I don't want them to.
Get the hell away from me.
And not even in that way. I can do the same job. I can do the same job you do. Let's just get out here and do it and have fun while we do it.
Yep.
Like, yeah.
Heck yeah.
I told them I'm like a kid in the candy store right now, looking at these trucks. Man,
They're nice, aren't they?
I can't wait. Like the guy that's down there with the the black and red beats. I was like, oh, these are show trucks. He was like, no, we're not. We run these trucks. We tankers. See, I was told I couldn't have a real nice truck like this and run it because,
What do you pull?
you know, tanks,
Tank?
ISOs.
Usually tankers are the ones running the cool stuff. Usually.
Man. So this, even though I love those other two trucks, they're the best ones out here. This is going to be my favorite truck. This is my favorite truck. It's not exactly spec'd how I would necessarily spec it, but this is my favorite truck because, y'all, look at that. Let me back up so y'all can really understand and see. Oh, I gotta back up some more. I gotta back up some more. Look at them stacks. I love the color on it. It's just so freaking beautiful. Beautiful. Man, so the guy was talking to me. His name is Doug. Shout out to Doug. And he was saying that truck that I just showed y'all is also a running truck. And he was saying that truck is also a running truck, and that so he tells me, right? I'm like, yeah, the guys over there in the front with the Peterbilt they're saying yada yada yada, and come to find out they actually run. And he asks me what I run. I said I'm a tanker. He was like, tankers are usually the ones with the eye candy out there. He's like, tankers are usually the ones with the badass trucks. And I'm just like, y'all, I just can't wait. That's all I can say about that. I just can't wait. I'm gonna walk over here to this other truck. I think I got some footage of this truck yesterday, but just to be on the 100% side, I'm gonna walk over here. Oh, there go y'all company, Mercer, yeah, however y'all pronounce it. But let me turn this around again. See, they keep trying to tell me that I need to do a low, and I'm not necessarily the biggest low fan. But I mean, I would. I'm not a huge on it, but I will say, oh wow, y'all look at that. I will say that steering wheel and that shifter is probably one of my favorites because I actually seen that steering wheel again on it was like actually sale, so ooh, got their side boxes open. Y'all, like I said, these trucks, these guys, they put in the work. Like, they really put in the work. The details of these trucks are just amazing. So I'm gonna walk over here because this was like the first one that I seen. Like I said, I think I might have gotten some footage of it, but I don't think I went into detail in depth of this truck. And I'm probably gonna record outside later on, but this, y'all, this truck's so sexy. I can't even, yeah, I said it, that truck is sexy. Like, when I seen that shit, I'm like, But for real though, y'all know I'm not lying. That's big boss hog, like, on some stuff. And it's so funny, I don't even feel weird recording because everybody that literally passes me is like recording something. But look at that. Y'all, I know some of y'all probably gonna try to figure out what kind of stacks I like. And I'm telling y'all right now, y'all be surprised. Y'all would be surprised. So this little section that I'm in right now, I think that this is primarily I think this is primarily the side where they hold classes and sessions, and like I was saying, you have to have a certain type of badge to get into certain areas. So what was dope is that I have an exhibitor's badge, so I can get into whatever I want to get into. These boys are old. Y'all see that? Old. But yeah, I'm about to make my way. I'm about to start making my way back towards the front because I think that they just started letting people in. So it's about to start getting a little crowded, like they literally just let the people in. But y'all, like, this is so fun. If you ain't never been to no trucking show, oh yeah, my bad, y'all. They literally just started letting people in. I gotta go. It's like a swarm of people. Let me see something real quick. These are gonna be the dump trucks, but since I'm over here, I'm gonna show y'all what I wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna take your candy because that's just how my life is set up, and I just want one. Hold on a second. These are dump trucks, and I don't feel like this. They just started letting people in. I'm about to get from over here. My nerves are getting too bad. I want to show y'all this tank. I want to show y'all this tank before I leave from over here. I don't even think these flatbeds were serious today. Maybe they were, but
The platform.
I just but this tank right here. Oh. And the crazy part about it is, like, it's just a tank, but it's like shined up. It's a good looking tank. It's a good looking tank. So, I don't know if y'all noticed. This is just not, that's, like, they got Volvos, they got all of that stuff out here. I'm just not, like, bucked up to go and explore those, so to say. That's just not, you know. I didn't even come over here. I definitely did not come over here. Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, them KWs hit too, though. The KWs hit too. Yep. Coaches, the legacy sleepers. So yeah, I'm about to head on out because they done started letting people in. Ain't nobody got time for that. I don't. So I need to get back on my side of town, and I will check back in with y'all in a few. So literally just that quick, y'all can see. From the time I walked on the other side to the time that I walked over here, it's been about 45 minutes. And it is 10:09 and they opened the doors at 10. So yes. It's 10:09. 10:09. They open the doors at 10. Y'all can see how bad it is in here. And I'm back. Everybody say good morning.
Are we saying what's up to the fans?
Yeah. Huh?
Hey, what's up? We got my girl Q here. Look, we out here at the truck show.
Y'all supposed to introduce yourselves. And look what he done. What do you do?
Look, we out here at the truck show. We got the celebrity Q. We're about to have a great time today. It's only Friday. That's all I got.
That's all you got. What you got, Chris? See, come to Hennef and you'll get donuts. Who are you and why are you here?
Brandon, I'm a recruiter, and we're here for the mechanical bull.
What? They have a mechanical bull?
He rode one last night.
See, next. That's got Mr. John Randall.
Hey folks, how
Tell
are
the people
y'all?
who you are and what you do.
I'm the Vice President of Recruiting for Hennef Trucking, and all I know is Miss Q is the best ever.
Look, y'all supposed to be doing introductions. Y'all keep doing this.
No, we're at the second day of the Mid-America Truck Show. We're expecting a huge crowd today. We had a great day yesterday. A lot of good applicants, a lot of good interviews. And if you're in Louisville, Kentucky, come see us. If not, we'll talk to you soon.
Gracias.
Fast.
Y'all look so bored. That's me, Stephanie, and that's me, Stan. Just say hi to the vlog.
Morning.
All right, y'all. Let me do some work. Look at the little golf cart. Oh yeah, see, he don't have it opened up. I want to say it was this truck right here has a system in it.
Yeah, they just about all do.
It is? Oh, I see it. He got working up there. See them those stacks? Them shits are high. Oh yeah, I see it. That triaxle. He's definitely a heavy hauler. He might not. Is he out here? Yeah.
Then preacher whispered, can't you see the promised land? As he laid that bloodstained Bible in that hooker's hand. There are 3 wooden crosses on the right side of the highway. And while there's not 4 of them, heaven knows. Stop what you do, leave this world behind you. What you leave behind you when you go. That's a story that my preacher told us.
Chase, you want to do some interviews? Go do your interview. Ooh, I like that. See, I like light colors. I'm over here with Chase. Say hi, Chase.
Hey.
That's Chase from First Associates. And okay, Chase, you may have been right a little bit. You may have been right a little bit. You wasn't right much. Not that much.
Just can't admit it, can you?
Because you wasn't right. I don't care. You see, like that color, those type of colors, a pink and fuchsia, and, excuse me, stuff like that. I'm not like that shit stretched. What is he pull?
He doesn't. This is just his
A show truck.
He owns East Texas Trucks in Nacogdoches, Texas. And this is part of his marketing show truck.
shit. Wait. Tell him diesel too high, he gonna run out. Look at this shit. You're about to run out. Yeah, that's it. That's it. It's like this color today? Or it's darker? I'm gonna show you the piece that I'm talking about. She's like, that shit is sick. That shit's crazy. I wonder how long it took him to build it. That's the one where you said it's like $1 million, huh? $1 million truck.
This is one I know this guy too.
You know what? I love it. Oh, I can't say it. I almost said it on video, but I can't say it on video because they trying to see what kind of stacks I'm on my truck. And I don't want to give it away. I almost said it. What do you think? What kind of stacks do you think I want on the truck? Like what kind of tips?
Tips?
Yeah. Like a little slant straight.
Your turnout? You like your turnouts?
I'm not going to tell you on camera, but you're not right, though. You're wrong. You're wrong. But you're going to see. I'm going to tell you what. Damn. So are these all the ones that's still in the show?
Yeah.
These still the yeah, I didn't come down back here.
You come check this out.
I wish it wasn't so cold. This coldness is blowing it. I'm cold. I like that brown. What? Oh shit, yeah. Like the lowrider one. Yeah. Wasting money. That's hilarious. Yeah, I don't know. I never even came back here. Probably because it's cold. Go. Yeah, so I officially made it back to New Orleans. It's late. It's like 12 o'clock. I had a layover in Atlanta. But I'm back. It's over with. Makeup look crazy. But this is the end of the vlog. As always, thank you for tuning in to Beauty Pushing the Beast. I'm the beauty and I'm pushing a beast. Y'all stay tuned.